Hi everyone. So today I am here to talk about a very important topic which is largely very relevant for all the e-commerce business owners. Why setting up a Shopify store and Meta ads is not enough for your e-commerce brand success. Exactly. That's what I am going to throw light on today, and it is basis some of our recent projects. So recently we worked with two e-commerce brands and both of them, one in the apparel side and the other one is into home furnishings. So both came to us after working with 2-3 agencies. Clearly they were not happy with the output. My usual instinct is to begin with a detailed diagnose, and we call it a brand audit at 30th Feb. The reason I believe in brand audit is because it leads to the logical reasoning of what we are recommending, and half of the job is done as an execution team because we clearly know what we are recommending and why we are recommending. Well, interestingly, the one thing that was lacking in both the stories was there was no branding. Right? And that is what brings me to this video, that setting up a Shopify store and your Meta ads is not going to ensure business success for your e-commerce brand. Why? When we did the audit, we found a lot of missing links. One, people were coming to your store. They were enjoying your Meta ads, but there were less conversions and too many abandoned carts. The reason? Missing branding. There was no brand messaging, no credibility, no authority. So I am enticed with your brand campaign, but I am not sure whether we want to buy or why to buy from you because there is no branding. The second, the brands were not engaging right with the audiences, because when I am going to the cart, when I am leaving the cart without buying, the brand is not interacting with me. There was no customer engagement story. There was no outreach happening. We were not letting the customers feel that, we are excited to be aligned with you, right? So if there is no customer engagement defined in your Shopify store, chances are the store will not work. Third, you are not optimizing your Shopify store correctly. That means the tool is offering you a lot of options, but you are not utilizing them to build your brand strength. Similarly, the UI UX is not helping boost the engagement. Why? Because they are scattered. You have set up the store, but you have not optimized it. Right? Third, there is no momentum in your website. So in both the websites, we actually began with a lot of website editing work. There were a lot of foundational edits that were recommended on the website itself, right? It can be your banner, it can be your content copy, it can be your product categorization, your meta titles. You need to think from the customer point of view, and that comes when you focus on branding rather than setting up a store. Then you do not have any audience tracking mechanism set up. So when I say your store is not optimized, you rather get to it before you get to the Meta ad campaigns. Now, to finalize what I'm trying to say, or to give you a synopsis, maybe your Shopify store and Meta ads will work amazingly well if you are running it as a campaign with something like end of the season stock. When you have something, you want to sell it off, it will work. But if you are setting it up brand channel, a portal where you want things, which are like brand credibility, recall, advocacy, repeat buyers, loyalty, then you need a brand. But if your choice is to set up an end of season sale and just, stock out your inventory, maybe this campaign idea is good. Otherwise, let's have a brand audit. Let's discuss how to turn your store into a brand that people love.